226th death anniversary of Rajashri Bhagyachandra was commemorated yesterday at Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. Manipur Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya emphasized that Manipur's culture plays a vital role in fostering unity among diverse communities across the globe. He noted that Manipur is home to many followers and believers of God. Governor also praised the efforts of the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy and the Sangeet Natak Academy in promoting and uplifting Manipur's cultural heritage. As a part of the event organized by the Rajashri Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation and the JN Manipur Dance Academy, a Tarpan ritual was held at the Ganga River to honor the departed souls in the ongoing crisis of Manipur. Director of the JN Manipur Dance Academy, P. Vilash, advisor to the Rajashri Bhagyachandra Cultural Foundation, R.K. Radha Mohan, Vice President M. Ashok, General Secretary T.H. Dhanakumar, and representatives of State Kala Academy, New Delhi, among others, attended the event. The commemorative events will continue in Vrindaban tomorrow and conclude on October 9th at Radha Kund. Members of the JN Manipur Dance Academy performed Natta Sankirtan and Ras Leela during the celebration.